A critical security vulnerability just dropped, and if you're running Linkwarden on your server, you need to stop what you're doing and pay attention right now. This is CVE-2026-44313, a server-side request forgery flaw rated 9.1 out of 10 on the CVSS scale. That puts it firmly in the critical category, and here's why that matters. Linkwarden is a self-hosted open-source bookmark manager that lets teams collect, organize, and archive web pages. Sounds harmless, and that's exactly the problem. Nobody expects their bookmark tool to be the hole an attacker crawls through to reach your internal network, but that's what this CVE enables.
The vulnerability lives inside a function called fetchTitleAndHeaders. When you save a link in Linkwarden, this function reaches out to that URL to grab the page title and headers. The problem is the URL validation is almost laughably weak. It only checks whether the URL starts with HTTP or HTTPS. That's it. No check on what's actually behind that URL. So an authenticated user, someone who already has an account, can craft a malicious URL pointing to internal services, your metadata endpoints, internal APIs, cloud instance credentials, anything running inside your network that normally wouldn't be reachable from the outside.
This is a classic SSRF attack. Network-based, low complexity, no user interaction required. The scope has changed, meaning the blast radius goes beyond the application itself, and confidentiality impact is rated high. In a cloud environment, this can be game over. One request to the right internal address, and an attacker has your IAM credentials. The fix is already out. Version 2.13.0 patches this completely. If you're on anything below that, update immediately. Don't wait. Check your deployment, pull the latest version, and review any URL handling logic in custom forks. This was published May 9th, 2026, so the window between disclosure and active exploitation is closing fast. Stay patched, stay ahead.